Welcome to our discussion on artificial intelligence. Today, we'll explore its advantages and disadvantages, providing a balanced view of this transformative technology. Welcome to our discussion on artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a transformative technology that allows machines to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. It's integral to our daily lives, enhancing speed, accuracy, and convenience across various platforms and services. Artificial intelligence significantly enhances efficiency by performing tasks faster and more accurately than manual efforts. It reduces human errors, supports decision making through rapid data analysis, and boosts productivity. Artificial intelligence excels in handling repetitive tasks, making work smarter and more effective across various fields. Artificial intelligence enhances efficiency in education, healthcare, and business by operating 24/7 without fatigue. It aids teachers, doctors, and professionals, streamlining tasks and improving performance. Artificial intelligence simplifies daily life, saving time and effort, making services more convenient and faster. It is crucial in creating a smart, productive modern life. Artificial intelligence can lead to job displacement due to automation, reducing employment in some sectors. Its development and maintenance are costly, posing financial challenges. Artificial intelligence reliance on technology and data means any system failure can impact performance. This dependence may widen the gap between skilled and unskilled workers, highlighting the need for balanced artificial intelligence integration. Artificial intelligence presents privacy and security risks, potentially exposing personal data. It lacks human emotions, affecting responses in sensitive situations. Limited or biased data can lead to incorrect results, impacting decision making. Human supervision is crucial to mitigate these limitations. Despite its power, artificial intelligence requires careful use. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a transformative tool enhancing efficiency and decision making across various sectors. Despite its benefits, it presents challenges like privacy risk and job automation. Careful use and human oversight are crucial to harness its full potential safely. Artificial intelligence is undeniably shaping the future,